The Supreme Court has given an important decision in Dhar Bhojshala case on January 23rd, which is celebrated as Basant Panchami. Both Hindu and Muslim communities will be allowed to pray at the Bhojshala complex. According to the court order, the Hindu side can perform worship of Goddess Saraswati from sunrise to sunset. At the same time, the Muslim community has been allowed to offer prayer namaz between 1 pm to 3 pm. Court has clearly instructed the local administration to arrange separate spaces for namaz and prayer. Special entry passes will be issued and strong security arrangements must be ensured. The order came during the hearing of a petition filed by Hindu Front for Justice. To maintain peace, around 8,000 police personnel and officers have been deployed in Dhar. The Madhya Pradesh government has signed an important memorandum of understanding with global logistic company DP World. The agreement was signed during the World Economic Forum 2026 meeting in Davos, Switzerland. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav was present at the event. The MOU is expected to help improve logistics infrastructure in Madhya Pradesh. It will encourage new investment and generate employment opportunities in the state. The partnership aims to connect Madhya Pradesh with global supply chains and strengthen trade routes. Government officials said this agreement will help the state become a major logistic hub in central India. The move is being seen as a big step towards economic development and international cooperation. A serious scholarship irregularities has been reported from Mata Gujri Women's College in Jabalpur. The student scholarship amount was transferred to someone else's bank account instead of her own. The affected student Purnima Chaudhary is a BA second year student. She said she took admission 2 years ago and applied for the scholarship through MP Online with help of the college scholarship department. However, she never received the money. After checking the status online, she found that the scholarship was already marked as paid. On matching bank details, it was found that the account mentioned in the scholarship records was different from her actual account. This raised serious question about negligence or fraud. The Congress party has raised serious concern over the voter list revision process in Madhya Pradesh. The special intensive revision process is currently underway and January 23rd is the last date for corrections. Congress claimed that in just 10 days, requests were made to remove nearly 11 lakhs voters from the electoral rolls. According to the party, these requests were made using Form 7, which is used to delete names. Congress alleged that many of these forms were pre-filled and distributed to booth levels officers. The party claims that voters from SC/ST minorities community and Congress traditional voter base are being targeted. Congress leaders have demanded transparency and accused the BJP of manipulating the voter list. A tragic road accident took place in Gwalior where a speeding jumper crushed a family riding a bike. The accident killed the husband, wife and their 18-year-old daughter on the spot. The family had come from Jalon district of Uttar Pradesh. The daughter was scheduled to appear for the JEE main examination and her exam center was located at a college in Gwalior. While trying to reach the exam center quickly, the family lost their way and went about 100 meters ahead. During this time, a fast-moving jumper hit their bike from behind. Police reached the spot and started an investigation. The incident has caused shock and grief. A first-year BTech student died by suicide at the RGPB Girls Hostel in Bhopal. The student was studying computer science and business system and was staying in the hostel located inside the college campus. According to report, the student had an argument with a female hostel staff member on Wednesday night. After dinner, she went to her room and did not come out the next day. When her roommates became worried, they informed the hostel staff. The door was open and the student was found hanging. Police and forensic teams reached the spot. No suicide note was found. The police said further action will be taken after statements and post-mortem report. Sadhus and Sant have protested in Tikamgarh over the alleged misbehavior with Shankaracharya Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati at the Prayagraj Magh Mela. Religious leader expressed anger and called the incident an insult to Sanatan Dharma. Bundelkhand Peethadishwar Mahant Sita Ram Das Maharaj strongly criticized the government. He questioned whether religious leaders are being respected in the country. He also said that such incidents harm religious traditions and sentiments. Mahant Sita Ram Das referred to past political examples and warned that disrespecting saints could lead to public anger. The protests remained peaceful and since demanded an apology and action against those responsible. Weather conditions have changed in many parts of Madhya Pradesh. Cold winds are blowing in northern and central district, making morning and nights very chilly. Dense fog was seen in several cities, affecting road visibility and traffic. The weather department has warned of light rain in some areas due to western disturbance. Farmers have been advised to protect crop from cold and moisture. People are advised to avoid early morning travel and keep warm. Weather may remain cold and cloudy for the next few days across the state.